There you go.
Hey everybody, this is Liz from Bits and Pieces Skin Shop, and I'm here with my friends Kristen, Chicken, and Elephant.
Where are you?
I don't know. We have Nick behind the camera. Hold this. Hold that. Hold up. I'll just go look and we'll see. We're gonna check. Yeah, we're live. I'm
Yeah, my phone ring. Right.
Okay, so we are live. We are live. Nick didn't know because Nick is new. Yeah, we checked. So we are here at the H&H Market Show, and that's our director. Yeah, this is Annette. Show Annette. This is Annette, my favorite person. Say hi to Annette. I have a lot of favorite people like Shannon Fabrics. So, show Annette. Turn the camera. Say hi to all our people.
Hi guys! Oh, she's gonna give you guys the best tour.
Say hello.
The best view here.
Live?
You bet. There's Arvin. Arvin is the main man. If you didn't watch the video,
it depends on what we're talking about.
Cuddle.
okay,
Cow.
yeah, always there's no problems, but he is the owner of Shannon Fabric, right? Yeah, he is the main man. And he has done very well for us.
And Liz and Nick, they officially are one of our cuddle centers. So.
Yes, and we're the only one in New England. Do you know that?
Yes.
I'm excited about that.
I look at that map every day.
And expanding.
Yeah, I look at it. I love it. Thank you very much. Absolutely. Yes, I'm so excited. Look at this person too. We'll let you buy Shannon Cuddle. Make sure you buy a lot. Okay? Yeah, so we have a goal, 500. We're close, 350 or 400.
We're gonna get to the next
We gotta get to the next level. So did you know we carry over 300 SKUs? Yes, we just put more out yesterday before we left. But we got the chicken.
I got the chicken.
And we're gonna bring these patterns back to you. Let's put this back. Let's give you a tour of the booth.
Virtual store merchandise.
So yeah, show everybody what we got. We got a pig. I have to put this one back. Hold on.
I don't know where he went. We got. Oh, look at the whale.
We have this.
Yep.
We have this, right?
This must be new, so we'll show that to you.
No, let's show them to them now. Okay. We assume this is new, and we don't know if we have this. If we don't, we probably have it on order. We can do auto ship on the back.
So there's a couple more SKUs to add to our super center.
Yeah. This is so cute. Right, we'll fold it back up.
Yeah.
What else we got? That's the kid. No, we must have it. I don't think so. Maybe it's brand new. It's called Hey There. We'll have to talk to Matt about that. Matt's our salesperson. Here, let me fold this right so they don't And this includes everything. Packing, 28 by 37.
They would have to.
Look at
They would
all
have
this
to order
stuff.
it and then use special orders.
Somebody's bag's in the way, but there's a cow down here, Kristen.
Oh, look, see the cow.
There's a cow.
He's so cute.
This is Cowie, my grandson. I wonder if I made this for him if he would like it. As a cow, he's now 10. It is so dilapidated, but I wonder if he'd like this one.
Oh, he's so cute. And of course, it's all cuddle, so it's super soft.
Is there people watching us, Nick?
I don't see any comments.
You don't see anybody?
If you see us, let us know. Tell Nick where we are. We have all the eagle. We have this at the shop, so come and get this. If you're looking at that, that's gorgeous. Digital printed cuddle.
That's my favorite.
That's beautiful.
So say hello if you're watching us. We want to know if there's anybody out there watching us. You guys got to be careful of this. Look at the eagle and all those animals over there, right? Look at this.
You just don't want to be.
We have all of this fabric on the bolts in the store. If you need any of that. So Kristen and I are going to shop on Friday. Look at some of the new cuddle. What else they got? Wouldn't you like to be here with us and just touch all the cuddle? Look at this new stuff. Spa cuddle. Right? So you gotta show them the rest of the animals too.
I don't know if we might have to just take this home. Look at that.
What else we got here?
This is different. This is
New arrow.
this is not like something we have. This is a
No,
little
it's
different.
not. Yeah. Look at all these.
Oh boy.
This is the die cut cuddle with the hearts. Ooh, we gotta buy some of this.
Buy some of that.
Look at this.
It's sherbet.
It's German. Look at the tie-dyes.
Makes me want an ice cream.
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
That's what
All right, we got small animals over here.
Oh. Oh, it's more.
It's more. Which one is this? This is, what is it?
On the farm.
On the farm cuddle bug.
So cute.
She went
These
from
are so soft.
550 or 600 screws up to 1,050, so she has like 5
Yeah,
bucks.
Now we gotta get it back on the rack. Yeah, we'll
Use your best-selling list and put it in the hole for that.
I'll do that.
Yeah, look.
Are these booties?
These are little booties. Look at this.
How cute are those?
Look at the little booties. So Kristen, when your daughter gets married and maybe she has some little babies, you can make your grandkids these little booties because unless he spits Winnie, I'm done. They told me that. I'm done.
It's actually so cute.
You know, expand with limitations. So we not only will we help you with how many bolts of fabric?
That's some fun stuff.
Oh yeah, this is called Dreamy Fur. What can we make with
That's
this?
a good time.
But Annette says I gotta go try on the jacket. Now we know it's not gonna fit me, but we're gonna try it on anyway.
It's big. Okay, so it's space an issue.
Let's go see this try on code. She's taking it off the model. Here we go.
Trying the jacket on that doesn't fit. Okay? Because Annette says I have to do it.
It'll fit.
No, it won't.
It just won't close. It'll fit.
You like my jacket?
You look fabulous.
I look fabulous.
You should go on the fashion
You
show
can
runway.
I
carry that.
could. What is that, 5? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll
Liz is going to be on the runway.
Annette, I did it. Looks good on me, doesn't it?
It does actually.
It does look good.
Doesn't look good on me. What is everybody thinking? It has pockets. That's the best part. It just doesn't feel good.
Well, you know, it's not warm enough. I mean, not cold enough. You don't need it to cover everything. All right. Well,
Okay, guys.
where's the cameraman?
Yeah, where am I here? I can't keep up with Liz.
Oh, no. She's busy. Now she's making friends. All right,
It
guys.
looks better on the dummy, doesn't it?
Not necessarily.
So anyway, the only other person we haven't introduced to you is Matt.
Hi, how are you?
No, to our customers.
Oh,
We're
the
doing
customers.
live,
Hey,
yeah.
guys.
He's a
Hey,
very
Nick, how are you?
important person.
Very good, thanks, Matt.
So anyway, all right. Can we show him everything at the booth?
This is
Pretty much.
VIP Matt, and we're going to
Yeah, we're going to say bye. Nick is not paying attention.
bye to New Hampshire for now, but we'll
We're
be
in
back.
Chicago. We'll see you with another live tomorrow. Okay? Bye.